Hi, this is Jake from Cabinet Solutions Design Software, and on today's video, we're going to be using guide walls to make a T-shaped wall so you can place cabinets on end of an island or a wainscot panel on the end of an island. So first thing we're going to do is let's double check our standards here. Let's go to Standards, Adjust Job Standards. This is just something optional, but I'm going to do it just for this video. Under initial values here, I'm going to go to Windows and Doors and change this clearance from door or end of wall to 0. And also I'm going to go to my countertops and change my default backsplash height to 0. Same thing with the left backsplash height, just to be on the safe side. And click on Apply to Job. Now let's go and draw our walls. Let's make one wall here. Let's do 100 inches, just so that we have something on the screen. I am going to go back and edit the height of this wall to make it an island or 0 inches tall. Always want to double check on that. It is something easy to fix afterwards, but it's always something good to get it right away. Next, we're going to go to our from left. And what this does is this starts off a wall, no matter where you start dragging that wall out, however much this distance is from the left-hand side of the wall as the program perceives it. So for this instance, let's go to 12 inches. And I'm going to just start drawing my wall. Let's say I'm going to drag it over from this far left side here. It's going to go 12 inches from the left-hand side of this wall as it proceeds. And let's go to 24 inches in length. And now let's turn off that from left and go back 24 inches towards the end of the original wall. And now we have our distance or our starting wall location. So what I can do from here is, let's say this wall is going to be 24 inches deep with cabinets, but this one's going to be 15 inches deep. So let's do the math. 24 plus 15 equals 39. So let's drag this wall down 39 inches. And again, making sure we check the height on that. And now we have our wall that we can place things, and we can remove our guide walls. Let's go ahead and do something like that over here on this other side of the wall. We're going to use the same information, except for the from left instead of 12. Let's say I want to do it 12 inches from this end of the wall. So we have to do a little bit of math here. So 100 minus 12 inches is 88 inches. And now I can do my from left over here and still keep my 12 inches. Let's change that wall length to 24 inches again. Turn off our from left, create our second guide wall over 12 inches. And now we can draw our 39-inch guide wall back down here. Now, obviously, you could just draw a wall that goes from here over 100 inches and start it from there as well. But this is just for more practice to create those guide walls. Let's go ahead and delete those guide walls here. And now let's go to my place cabinet screen. Let's place some cabinets on this wall. Let's go 100 inches with my 24-inch deep. Let's go 100 inches with my 15-inch deep. And let's place a cabinet here, and then we can just smart copy it over there to make it easy. So let's do a cabinet. Let's make it 39 inches wide. Place that cabinet along the wall. And now I can go to my elevation screen. To get there, I just clicked on the cabinet, clicked on Go to Elevations, and now I'm looking at that small 39-inch cabinet. Click on it to customize it, go to View and Delete Boards, and what we're going to do is go to Wainscot Panel and just turn it into a giant door. And if I turn on my display doors, that's what you're going to see. Next, I'm going to click on that cabinet, go to Smart Copy so I don't have to rebuild that cabinet, save me a couple extra steps, and just place that cabinet on the other side here. Now if we look at our 3D system, so if we go to View at the top of the screen and click on Take a 3D Tour, it's going to open up here. I might have to zoom out a little bit, but there's my island that I just created. The panels all around. And there you have it. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions Design Software. If you have any questions about this video, or if you'd like to suggest any other videos in the future, please leave a comment below or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net, or even just give us a call at 209-836-4077. We're more than happy to help out. This is Jake with Cabinet Solutions, and we hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell for future videos of tips and tricks or previews of upcoming features. Do you have an idea for future videos? Comment below with different ideas or send us an email to support@cabinetsolutions.net and let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll be happy to create a video for it. Thank you again for watching.